Darwin Platform Group of Companies is one of the fastest growing diversified Indian conglomerates with global footprints. It is setting up offices globally and tying up with companies across the globe for multiple sectors. The company has ventured into real estate and construction, stockbroking and finance, arms and ammunition, mining, airlines, and many other sectors.
Hi, you're watching Business Today Television. I'm Sakshi, Batra, and on this special edition, we are going to be speaking to the top management of Nucleus Software on the Q3 earnings that they have reported. Mr. Vishnu R Dusad joins in. He's a co-founder and MD at Nucleus Software. Welcome, sir, and thank you so much for taking the time out. Well, you've reported your quarterly earnings where the revenues are now at 204 odd crore rupees, marking an increase from about 169 odd crores that was reported in the corresponding period of the last year. Also, the profit after tax has grown to 41.3 crores from 38.3 crores in Q3 of FY23. Give us a sense of how have the earnings really panned out? Is it as per your estimates, or and also what have been the key supporting segments and the growth areas on the back of which you've been able to report these numbers?
Thanks for having me over on Business TV, Business Today TV. The earnings have panned out slightly below our expectations. We were looking for some more orders to come in, which are getting delayed. But overall, we are quite happy with what our customers are saying, and we're very bullish about how our products are going to pan out in coming quarters.
Okay. So what is the kind of outlook that you have, sir? Or have the challenges of the past, are they slowly and gradually ebbing at this point in time? What is it that you're hearing from your top clients at this point in time?
Yeah, the challenges of the past are slowly but certainly settling down, and our clients are, very excited about rolling out our new products. They are delivering whatever rollouts are happening. They are delivering value to our customers, and we are very happy with the
Okay, and the
direction that is happening.
macro demand as far as, even financials are also concerned, which is again a major portion where you supply a lot of your products in. How is that really panning out in the banking and the financial services sector across the globe at this point in time? You provide operations to about 50 plus countries in such companies. Tell us, how have things panned out so far in this quarter, and what's the outlook on that front?
Yeah, I think we're very excited to let you know that our products, they continue to derive a lot of attention from both existing customers and the larger part of our existing customers. For example, we might be working in a particular geography with a global customer, and now what is happening is they are wanting to roll out the products in the rest of the geographies where they are working. So that those conversations are extremely encouraging, and we are preparing for those conversations. We are preparing our products for those new geographies, and the overall it is looking fairly encouraging.
As far as pricing is concerned, what is it that you're hearing on your clients from your top 5 to 10 clients? Have the pricing pressures been largely elevated?
I will just take a minute to explain you the pricing as far as Nucleus Software is concerned. Uh, we have mentioned this phrase earlier. Our earlier prices were ultra deep discounted prices. So we have just about taken away the ultra part of it from our pricing, and they are still deeply discounted prices. Given that, the good news is that our when we go back to our customers and explain them the logic and the value that we deliver, they are open to give us the new prices, and that is very satisfying, because it's a win-win, long-term win-win that we have to create, and that's how we'll be able to support them for decades to come. We have supported them for last 3 decades. We want to continue supporting them for decades to come.
Okay, decades to come going forward. Okay, tell us about the margins, sir. What have been margins panned out in this quarter, and what is the likely band in which your margins could be in the coming 1 or 2 quarters?
As I mentioned, the since the top line was slightly below our expectation, the margins have also been below the expectations. Having said that, we plan to have margins in the vicinity of 30% and above.
30% as of now. This will be for the financial year Q4 you're talking about, sir, or the Q4, or the coming quarters as well?
Sakshi, as a policy, we do not give any guidance. So
Okay.
when I say 30%, this is a generic long term number that I'm talking about.
Okay, generic long-term number that you're talking about. Okay. So do tell us about, what have you heard from your clients as far as, requirement on Gen AI is also concerned. This has been a larger buzzword across the IT services and the tech space so far. And in this entire quarter also, in our conversation with some of the big tech, this is a space that everybody has been focusing on now big way. How have you really looked at this space, and what is it that your conversations with your clients have been around it?
Clearly, this is one technology that is going to, you know, have an impact on the mankind, and no one is going to remain unaffected by this technology. And going by the very importance of this technology, we are looking at alternative areas where our clients would be able to leverage it via our products. And we are talking to a variety of experts in this area, and soon, meaning over a period, we will be able to talk about specific usage for our clients using Gen AI.
Okay. So going forward, we'll be fast approaching FY25. What is the outlook that you have for this financial service, for this fiscal year? And vis-a-vis FY24, is it panning out to be a better one? What could be 1 or 2 key levers for growth that you'd be betting big on for FY25, sir?
The levers that we would be betting on would be the usage of our new product by our existing customers. Some of our implementations are expected to go live in near future, and our customers would be able to derive value out of those go lives, and that is what would encourage the rest of the customers also to move on to our new platform, which has been created over a decade.
Okay. Also, sir, if you could give us a sense of what is the cash on your books as of now, and any plans going forward to utilize this cash on the books by way of maybe a dividend, or maybe if you would be looking forward to expansion plans, maybe inorganically, would you be looking at deploying this cash anywhere?
Yeah, we have a cash of around 800 crores on the books. And as far as dividends or special dividends, etc., are concerned, that is something that would be taken up by the board in the next quarter. As far as acquisitions are concerned, we are very clear that as of now, we are not looking at any acquisitions. We would want to put the cash to use for additional acquisition of additional tools and technologies that would help us accelerate the the quality initiatives that have been on. So that is what the cash would be put to use for. Otherwise, it will be kept as a buffer for rainy
Okay.
days. Yeah.
Okay, fair enough. Well, thanks a lot, sir, for being with us onto this special edition and sharing with us all the insights from your quarterly earnings. All the best to you for the upcoming quarters, and we shall catch again to understand more about the business and the insights going forward too.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Sakshi.
Thank you. With that, we wrap up this very special conversation with Nucleus Software top management about the quarterly earnings, slightly below their estimates as far as the top line is concerned, and of course the EBITDA and EBITDA margins are concerned. But long time, there is a hope that they will be able to post margins to the tune of 30% at this point in time. They are focusing on FY25 that is likely to pan out as a better fiscal year for them. as a company than FY24 as well. And the challenges of the past slowly but gradually definitely ebbing at this point in time with respect to demand from various clients and the top clients as well. With that, we wrap up this special edition, but do stay tuned as action continues on your screens on the other side too.
Darwin Platform Group of Companies is one of the fastest growing diversified Indian conglomerates with global footprints. It is setting up offices globally and tying up with companies across the globe from multiple sectors. The company has ventured into real estate and construction, stockbroking and finance, arms and ammunition, mining, airlines and many other sectors.
Celebrate 32 years of leadership in business news with Business Today. From the groundbreaking AI cover of Sundar Pichai to PM Modi's exclusive on G20, we redefine headlines. Now our 32nd anniversary issue explores India 2029, the 5-year agenda, with industry titans sharing exclusive insights. So, just BT it for unparalleled perspectives. Business Today, 32 years of leadership, innovation and business brilliance. Subscribe now. In today's rapidly evolving business environment, when risk is omnipresent, managing risks is no longer just about ticking a few boxes. Businesses need to maintain a panoramic view of risks to stay ahead of the curve. Join us to explore how organizations can rethink risk to unlock new possibilities and become fit for future. At PwC presents De-Risking the Future in collaboration with Business Today.
What are the stocks under consideration that you may want to purchase?
Yeah, good morning, Shalji. I think there's still some leg to go before you can put a finger on your specific likings. And I mean, if you look at the way the stock prices were